Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So I ordered some things from BH Cosmetics and I opened the box, but I haven't gone through it at all yet. Elliot, go away. So when you open it, this is what you see. And so the first thing I got was the Studio Pro False Eyelashes in 102. The Total Coverage Concealer in 100, which the box looks darker than it showed online, so we'll see how that goes. I got the BH Liquid Lipstick in Endora. So here's the color. And so in the box it looks a little darker than it is actually in the tube, but sometimes it looks darker on your lips. So the next is the foundation primer. And then I got the BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless, and it is in 201 Ivory. First one I have is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is the palette, and it actually looks smaller. They are smaller in person than they look on camera. So not only they're bigger, but these were all on sale. They're only like $10 or cheaper. So I mean that's a pretty good price, and there's a lot of colors. The next I have is the Nude Blush palette. Big palette. And like I said, these were all on sale like $7 or $8. I can't remember. This is it's like a hardcover, but it's kind of like a cheap plastic, but I like it. I like the case. So these are the blushes. They're actually really pretty. And they're really, really smooth. So that is good. Okay, and the last one that I have is the 26 color shadow and blush palette. And this one has some product on the outside of it, as you can see right here. And it's that same hard plastic as the blush one. Okay, and I was expecting, since there's product on the outside, normally that means there's something wrong on the inside, but actually they're all perfect, so that's good. So these are the colors, and they're really pretty, and these, oh my gosh, they're like a velvet. They're really soft. So I mean, not much pigment, but very soft. So we're gonna get right into this look. Okay, so I didn't get any product for my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do them like I normally would, and I'm gonna put on my moisturizer, and then I won't show you guys that part because I always show you. And this, I'm just doing the BH Cosmetics product right now, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna turn off the camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro primer, and I'm going to put that on my face, including my eyelids. So this primer is orange, which is kind of weird, but I'm pretty sure it'll go on clear. Okay, so the primer is on. It does feel really soft when it's going on, and it doesn't feel like I have very much on, but it does feel a little oily in some places. which is weird because it looks matte. but to the touch it feels a little bit oily. Use my Total Coverage Concealer, and again that's in shade 100. Okay, and as you can see, it's a little funky looking. So I'm just gonna put that, oh whoa. So yeah, that is definitely full coverage. I don't know if you can even see it, but I barely put any on. I just barely put any on and it did that, so that's a good thing. So I think I'm going to start out with this bright yellow, just because I've been wanting to try a yellow look, but I haven't bought a yellow shade yet. So let me get my brushes. And this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I'm going to take my M330 big fluffy brush, and I'm going to take that bright yellow, and we're going to see how that does. So for a bright yellow, it's not that pigmented right now, so it's okay so far. I mean, the actual formula, it's very soft, which feels really good on your skin, but let me just show you guys. I'm really getting in there. You have a bunch of product on your brush, and now watch. I mean, that's better, but I mean, definitely for the price, I would buy it again. But it's not as good as Juvia's Place or Morphe. So, like I said, it's definitely there. It just needs a little convincing to come out. So I'm going to take that green and I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Watch out. And I'm really going to get in there. So super, super bright on my finger. So that is not a bad swatch. It's not the best swatch, but it's definitely not bad. It's pigmented, right? So that's with your finger. Obviously, that's going to be very pigmented. So let me get in there with my brush. Pigmented. And it's barely there. So there's a lot of fallout. If the colors are great. The colors are awesome. But as you can see, finger brush. With your finger, you don't want to apply your eyeshadow with your finger, obviously. If you're using a brush, it's all gonna fall. It's gonna be fallout. I swatched this. That was 2 times, and there's already fallout around it. So, is it worth the money? Yes. Is it worth $25, $30? No. But you get what you pay for, and this, I got it for like $7. If I had to choose to buy it again, I would definitely buy it again. You can always brighten up those colors with a wet brush or anything. Like I said, look at my eyes. I mean, they're not bad. Definitely not bad, but they're not the bright yellow that I wanted to go for.